What's going on, everybody? We're doing formatting. Real quick one today, but I think this is huge. Whenever I see sheets with no grid lines and they're like financial models, or with grid lines, it's so like I don't understand. So I'm gonna help everybody here. Look at this. What looks better? This with the grid lines, and then you could do hard grid lines over top, and then you've got numbers, whatever. This looks very messy. Here's what I do. And it can be done in Excel or Google Sheets. I'm going to go over both. So in Excel, for a nice, pretty clean format, go to View. Uncheck grid lines. They're gone. Now, when you format, let's say you have, rev, expenses, whatever, and you could do your line, and then you could put in lines, with that, and that looks way cleaner than what you just saw. And numbers. You can also do light lines. So look at this line style and go to the second one. Then re-hit the box up here, and now look at the lines are lighter and dotted. That's super clean. And if you need to do like a table, look at how clean that looks. Much better formatting here. So that's Excel. Let's hop over to Google Sheets real quick. Here's this. So in Google Sheets, I can do the same thing. First, let's see what it looks like this. Oh, yuck. Don't like it. Go to View. Grid line. Oh, View. Grid line, second thing. Click it. Grid lines are now gone. We don't like this. What looks better? Let's say, rev, expense, whatever. And now you can put in your lines just for what you need to see, and everything else is blank. It looks so much cleaner. So this is what I do on every single financial model. I've been doing this in this way for years because it just looks cleaner. You can also do light borders with this. If you go to the little box, bottom right here, you get a little dotted line or this dotted one, and select. And that looks nice too. You can do that. Do box it, same thing. So if you guys are building financial models or want to know formatting, there's your tip. Remove your grid lines and just use lines and then have everything else blank. It looks way cleaner. Also, don't forget, got to promote the site here, smarthelping.com. Check it out. If you want to purchase templates, I've built over, what the heck? I've built over 100 here. Go to financial models at the top to view all of them. You can also use the search function. And I do offer bulk discounts by volume and in category if you want to buy them, buy a bunch or certain ones. Just email me if you have any questions, jason@smarthelping.com. Also, don't forget the live stream on YouTube every Monday at 5 p.m. And like, subscribe, join if you want. And I'll see you on the next one.